What's up, you guys? Aditi. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to the vlog. It's 8 o'clock. It's Wednesday, 28th of October. I've just woken up. I like to open all the windows and get ready for the day. I've just brushed my teeth and I'm just starting my computer because, well, I need my computer for everything, to be honest. I'm gonna get my cup of coffee. That's generally the only breakfast thing I have generally, and I'll start watching or just chilling a little while, watching something on YouTube or a TV show or movie or something or the other. But today I've decided to watch or actually research about note making digitally apps. Does that make sense? I've heard a lot about Notability and GoodNotes being one of the best note-making apps. So I was just Googling, researching on YouTube like everybody else does. Like, that's how you guys found me, right? So I'm just doing the same thing. Spoiler alert, I went with GoodNotes and I'm really happy with it. I'm already using it for a few days when I'm recording this voiceover, and I really like it. Sometimes I'll start my day by taking a shower and then studying, or studying a little bit before I take a shower. But today it's the latter. I've opened my planner. I'm just checking what I need to do today. I saw that I have to do statistics, so I've started doing mean and mode, merits and demerits. I have chosen statistics. In Mumbai University, you do not have statistics as a compulsory subject, but if you have taken psychology and economics then you can choose statistics. So if you have English literature, Hindi literature, and maybe geography, for example, then you cannot choose statistics. That's just how it is. So I chose statistics because if I want to get into psychological research or something like that, then statistics can help me. I also thought that I'm going to have statistics in psychology, like it's a very small, like one chapter in this year, and I'm also going to have statistics in the final year of psychology. So I thought that if I have psychology now, it will be easier for me to do it in the future, in the third year. And this is how I just cross things off my list. I'm not going to start studying now because I have a lecture now, like maybe in 5-10 minutes or so. I just keep checking WhatsApp on my computer because that's where I get the Google Meet link, and I always keep my Logitech camera flipped. Generally, I don't actually have my breakfast. Like I said, it's just coffee, but today my mom gave me omelette, so I'm just having that. And I always sit for my lectures with a textbook or a guide, whatever that I have, generally a textbook. And it's just easier for me to just cross-check and see what the sir or what the professor is talking about, where it is, and I can just mark whatever he has done, so I know that, oh, this is done from this topic. So if he decides to omit any topic in the chapter, then I know that acha ye nahi karne ki zarurat. So something like that. This is something that I do when I'm trying to help my mom out in the kitchen. This is actually a kaju ka paste to make butter chicken. So today is Wednesday. It's very surprising we are making butter chicken. Normally that's like a Sunday thing, but I'm just trying to help my mom out. This process is the hardest and it takes the longest time. It took me like an hour to do this whole thing. And after that I was done. As you saw, it was like 10:37 or so on my iPad, and I decided to get some revision done. I was kind of tired after doing the paste thing, so I decided to not memorize or learn anything new, but just revise. So sometimes for revision I will read the textbook, but today I decided that, you know what, I'm just going to use the Anki app. It's a great flashcard app. You can make your own flashcards, but I just prefer using Anki sometimes. It's on my iPad. I also have it on my phone. You can also download this on your computer. So whether you have an iOS or an Android or Windows computer or phone, it'll work. Then I decided that I'm just gonna read it anyway. So after doing the same thing on Anki, I decided to read a bit. If you're wondering how and why my textbook looks like this, then you should actually go and watch my note making video. I am going to make a video on how I study and everything. It'll take a while because I'm trying to set up a new way of studying. Anyway, so this is the thing that I do, that whenever I'm done doing a topic or whatever, I will cross it off on my planner so I know, and it gives me a very nice accomplishment wali feeling. Then I had a class, so I decided to just sign in and just wait. Till then I was checking my students' paper. I had given them a test and I had to check his answers and send him back. So that's what I'm just doing right now while I wait for the professor and all of the other students to get in and for the class to begin. And that's where my lecture begins. And I'm back with my textbook, but I don't use it much because he had told us that he's gonna take a test, and it's like an MCQ test, as you can see. So he was not going to pick out students as normally teachers do. What he said was that he is going to just read the question out loud, and whoever wants to write, they can just write the answer in the chat box. It's really great. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. I did not think that I would enjoy it, but I did. And after the lecture was over, it was like 12:15, and I was too tired. I'd studied, I had 2 lectures, so I decided that I'm just gonna watch The Boys. It's the season 2, and I really liked it. I loved the season 1 and I also loved the season 2, and I decided that while I'm watching this, I'm also going to multitask and actually make an Instagram post for Friday. So Friday ka video was, what kind of a learner are you? Like 8 different learning styles. So I decided to make the Instagram post regarding that. So I'm just making that right now while I watch. Sometimes I don't do this if the show is interesting, and this show is definitely interesting, but I really had to get things done. It was already Wednesday, and I know that Thursday and Friday are very hectic for me, so Wednesday is the only day I could actually do this. And I did not study after that. I had my lunch. Butter chicken. My best friend is crazy about butter chicken. When he's going to watch this, he's going to feel so jealous. After lunch, I decided to just sit back, relax, and actually complete the thumbnail of Friday's video. I had not done that as well. So I decided to go and do that and just finish it off. I think I finished like 90% of it. And it's like 2 o'clock. I have a tuition at 3. So generally I do have a tuition at 2 o'clock, but from 2 to 3 that student has his exams going on, so I had free time. So I decided to just relax before my tuition begins. So I read, and that's what I do. I generally read in the afternoon, and I kind of get a very nice sleep after I read. So I'll just put the book down and I'll just take a nice little nap till 3 o'clock. Just waiting for my student to get in, and I don't know if it's my age or what, or the way I teach, but my kids, that's how I call them. I don't call them my students, I call them my kids. And my kids just talk to me like I'm their friend. Like, now that I'm doing online classes and my family is around, they actually see how I talk to them, how I interact with my students, and my mom says that I talk to them. They think of me as a friend because I talk to them as a friend. Although I am somebody who will reprimand them, and I do, like I will nod my head or like make a face that I'm disappointed. I did not expect you to give me a wrong answer, something like that. So I will be a teacher, but generally 80% of the time I'm like a friend to them. And sometimes after class we just sit and chit chat, which is what we did after this class. I did not get the footage of that because it was a little weird for me to film while I am actually teaching. It's 4:30, my tuition is over, and after my tuition is done, I feel pretty drained. I do enjoy teaching, it's not that, but dealing with kids, I just feel drained after I'm done with 2-3 tuitions. Today I just had one, but still. So I went and I continued with the thumbnail. Like I said, I only finished 90% of it. I have to have an outline to my photos and also a white border like I always do. So I'm gonna complete that and then my thumbnail is done. As usual, now that I'm done, I'm just going to like relax a bit, watch Boys again. I'm just gonna tie my hair and get on with studying now. Like, it's high time, it's 5:30, and as you saw my to-do list on my planner, I have a lot of stuff to do, and I generally don't stress myself out to finish each and every item on it. It's alright if I cannot, it's alright, but I try to finish at least 80% of it. It kind of gives me a good feeling that, oh yeah, I finished 80%, so the 20% just goes on to the next. I'm going to make a video on how I study and how I plan stuff out, so just giving a little glimpse here till that video comes out. It's almost 7 o'clock and I realized that today was a day when I have to add text to my Friday's video, and I've not even made those texts. So I'm just gonna quickly do that, and this is the part of the editing where I can actually chill. So if you see me moving a lot and jerking a little bit, it's because I am singing. I'm listening to music and I'm singing while making the text. So if you ever find any typos in the text, it's because of this, because I was not paying attention and was busy singing and paying attention to the lyrics. And tonight we're gonna have keema spaghetti, and it's my absolute favorite after pizza. So I'm just gonna boil the water, put oil and salt in it. Till the water boils, I'm just gonna keep the spaghetti ready. When the water's boiled, I'll put it in. Keema's already ready. My mom made it in the morning. So after spaghetti is cooked, being a sucker for carbohydrates like everybody else is, I will just eat a few noodles, whatever, a little bit, when my mom is not paying attention. And there's a keema and the ketchup and grated cheese. That's so yummy. I mean, it doesn't look that yummy, I guess, but it is absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna quickly have dinner while I watch The Boys again. And I did not actually film the part where I actually add the text to the video. I thought I didn't want the video to be too long, so I just did not film that part, but I did. So before I went to make dinner, I already did all of that. Now I'm just gonna go take a shower. Sometimes I do that. It's October heat and it's getting to me. It's so sweaty and it's so hot that I just took a shower that day, and I decided to finish off the grapes that were left. I really like grapes. I'm a very fruit person more than a vegetable person. And today I decided to journal. Now you have to go and watch my journal video, you'll know more, but I don't actually journal every single day. I only journal whenever I feel like it, and I was feeling like that today. Today had been quite stressful, although I didn't do much. Kind of, it was stressful because vlogging and doing your daily chores is like a tough task. Like, trust me guys, Like, we enjoy watching vlogs. I love watching vlogs, but ever since I've started the YouTube channel, I've realized that vlogging is a tough task. I mean, getting different angles, like you're just sitting in one place, but you see different angles, right? I have to keep shifting the tripod, and it's a difficult job. It takes a lot of effort, and the whole day, and even like a week before I started filming, I was just thinking about, oh, what I'm gonna film, how I'm gonna film it, what angles I want, and all of that stuff. So it's not like I changed anything during my day to add in the vlog, not at all, but it just goes on in my head. So I would really appreciate if you like the video and comment down below how you found it. If you want to see more vlogs, I'm thinking of filming more vlogs. I don't have many. I just film one vlog after a couple of months. If you want to see more vlogs, like maybe once a month, let me know, and also like the video. It takes real work to film vlogs. More than sitting videos, it takes a lot of effort. And like I've said in my sleep series that I always wind down, I read a book, I keep all of my electronic devices, although I'm not going to consider Kindle as an electronic device, but I'll keep all my electronic devices like my computer and my phone aside, and I'll just wind down, I'll read a couple of pages or 20, however I'm feeling, and then I will put it aside and go to bed. So good night, guys. I hope I see you next Friday with another psychology video. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.